After deleting files on Windows, the first step is, of course, to check the recycle bin. Simply select the accidentally deleted files and restore them to their original location. However, if your files were permanently deleted using Shift+Delete or lost due to formatting, system crashes, virus attacks, or partition loss, professional data recovery software is your best option. Hi, I'm Reco from RecoveryFox AI. Today, I'll show you how to quickly and efficiently recover your deleted audio files, whether MP3, WAV, M4A, or other formats, using RecoveryFox AI. Here, I've deleted a folder containing audio files in different formats. After accidental deletion, stop using the drive where your files were stored. To maximize recovery success, also close all running software. This prevents new data from being written, which could make recovery impossible. Next, run RecoveryFox AI. If you haven't installed it yet, use the link in the comments below or visit to download the installer. Do not download or install any recovery software on the affected drive. Once launched, you'll see all available drives listed on the main interface, along with quick access to desktop and recycle bin. Select the target location and start scanning. For recently lost files, Quick Scan retrieves them quickly, allowing you to browse them with their original file names and folder structure intact. After Quick Scan, AI scan begins automatically. It focuses on files that have been lost for a longer time. Using powerful AI algorithms, RecoveryFox AI can detect data fragments across your device and reconstruct them into complete files, even if some parts have been partially overwritten. We're constantly improving the integrity of the files we find to provide a more reliable recovery experience. You can browse AI scan results by file type. To locate your files, navigate to Audio and select the desired format. Currently, RecoveryFox AI doesn't support audio preview, but we plan to add this feature in future updates. Here, I've expanded the Quick Scan results. You can see the folder I just deleted from the E drive, with all file names and folder structure preserved. Select the audio folder or your desired files from Quick Scan or AI Scan. Then click Recover. When choosing the recovery location, select a different drive to avoid overwriting existing data. Once the recovery is complete, you can open the output folder and check your files. Let's try this M4A audio file. Perfect, it plays without any issue. Now, let's test the AAC track. Works great too. All the recovered audio files are playing flawlessly. Super easy and very effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart data recovery tips with RecoveryFox AI. I'm Reco. See you in the next video.